Here's a quick video showing how to record a Whisper memo using Siri. So first thing that we need to do is open up the Shortcuts app. And we already have a shortcut here. So we'll just tap the plus button in the upper right corner. That'll create a new shortcut. And we'll add action and we'll go to Apps, look for Whisper Memos, and we'll select Start Recording. Now we need to give our shortcut a name, so I'll select Rename, and I'll call it Start Whisper Memo, or something like that. And now I can just close Shortcuts and run Siri. Start Whisper Memo. And that opens Whisper Memos app, and I can record without touching my phone. The only thing to keep in mind is that it only works with unlocked iPhone. So if your phone is lying somewhere locked, then this won't work. And one more thing you can do is configure this shortcut and say show on Apple Watch. And that way you can, for example, make this shortcut run when you press the action button on your Apple Watch. Or you can now also put it on iPhone's action button if you're on the latest one. Alright, I hope this helps.